This Windermere Real Estate / Whatcom Incorporated property video is presented by Christine Johnson sqft. Modern new construction home in the Meadows. This home is 3-bed plus an office, 2.5 bath and 2,300 square feet. Open floor plan with gas fireplace in the living room. Huge windows in the front for lots of natural light and a very high ceiling. Elegant kitchen with LG stainless steel appliances, breakfast bar, soft close cabinets, quartz countertops, tiled backsplash with a view out the back window to green space for your view. Master bedroom has raised ceiling with large walk-in closet and oversized bathroom that includes tiled walk-in shower and standalone tub. Home has instant hot water, pot filler in the kitchen, solar panels and AC. These house photos show the quality of the build from the builder, but the house is a different